Hello, my name is Clancy Rose. I'm from Cafe Medici in Austin, Texas, and I'm here today with Expert Village, and we're going to be making a double vanilla latte today. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to make a double vanilla latte. I like to have about 3 or 4 clean, dry towels to kind of clean the area off while I'm working. You need of course, your beans to make your espresso. Your espresso grinder, and I have 2 variations of home espresso grinders here, and your vanilla syrup, and your home espresso machine. I like to keep a wet towel on top of or just kind of damp towel on top of the espresso machine to wipe the steam wand off after we steam the milk. And shot glasses to pour your shots into. Espresso tamper to tamp your espresso. I have some more dry towels over here. Milk steaming pitcher, whole milk.